So once you download this pack, you should get this zip file. Now just unzip the zip file and you will get this folder over here. Now if you open up this folder, you will find these subfolders inside it. Now this is the After Effects project file which you can open, or you can import this project file into your existing project. Now as you can see, I have already opened up a project over here with a video. Now I want to apply some VHS effects onto it. So I'm just gonna drag and drop this VHS overlay effects project file into my bin over here. Now it's imported. Now just open up the final comp and here you will find all of these effects. Now you will get film roll effect over here, frames effect, light leak, noise scratch, text layout, and the VHS looks over here. So I'm just going to add some VHS looks. So just drag and drop any VHS looks you want over here. Now after that, make sure to toggle the switch of this collapse transformation button over here. Once you do that, it will be applied onto your footage. If you can't find this option over here, just click over here, or you can press F4 on your keyboard to toggle. And just make sure to click over here. And that will apply the VHS effects. So let's delete this one and apply another one. Let's suppose I want to use this VHS 5. Just drag and drop and click on the collapse transformation icon. And as easy as that. Okay, now if you want to adjust some of the settings over here, just go inside this VHS effects and click on this all settings option. And just click on the lock icon of this effects control and go back to your final comp. And here you can adjust some of the settings like this intensity of the stylized color. You can make it 0. You can increase the faded film or decrease it. You can change the color option like vibrant, etc. And you can also adjust some of this VHS elements intensity. So if I just make them all of them 100, as you can see, it has a lot of more options which you can play around with. You can also control the gain, camera shake, and the top and bottom distortion over here. And after that, you can find some text layouts over here, and you can just drag and drop some layouts in this section. And if you just drag and drop underneath this VHS effect, it will be applied, and the effects will be applied on top of the text as well. And also you can go to this frame section, and you can just find some of the frames over here. You can just click on this transparent icon so you can see that, like so. So like this frame 9 over here. So I'm just going to drag and drop this frame on top of everything, and it will look like this. And you will also get some bunch of settings like this film roll effect. If you just play over here, this kind of film roll, you can apply them on top of your footage if you like. You will get some light leaks and some noise scratch as well. So that's basically it for this pack. There's total 45 VHS looks available which you can use to achieve the look that you like. I hope this will help.